In its sleek Kitten mode, the Nighty Kitten Zord dazzles with golden metallic armor and a mesmerizing black, starry pattern. Its glowing blue eyes give it a cosmic allure, while its powerful tail, charged with electrical energy, serves as a whip. With jet propulsion in its paws, it zips through space, leaving a shimmering trail behind. When it transforms into its robot mode, it stands tall, morphing its paws into hands wielding energy blades. In armor mode, it integrates with the Megazord, wrapping its tail for protection and forming gauntlets that enhance combat. The Zord's new golden energy whip can unleash shockwaves and bind enemies, making it a formidable ally in battle.